There are plenty of ways to make money advertising. If you want to make money with Google, we suggest giving AdSense a try for your site. Here's what you need to know to get started. Did you know that there are multiple ways of making money with Google AdSense? There could be opportunities you are missing out on when it comes to making money with Google. If you want to maximize your Google AdSense profits, then be sure to look into the following ways to making money with AdSense. Number 1. Create the right type of website for Google AdSense. Certain types of sites perform better than others when it comes to generating Google AdSense revenue. The two things you need to make money with AdSense are great content and a lot of traffic. In terms of content, there are two types of content. There is content that attracts new people to your site every day, and there is content that brings visitors back every day. Ideally, you want to have a good balance of both. That way you are always bringing in new traffic and making sure that a good portion of that new traffic becomes loyal visitors. Sites that are perfect for content that attracts new and repeat visitors include the following: blog sites, news sites, forums and discussion boards, niche social networks, free online tools. While these are not the only types of sites that you can create, they are the easiest ones to optimize with great content. Promote and find a layout that works well with both displaying content and getting clicks to your Google AdSense ads. Number 2. Use different types of ad units. Different companies will use different types of ad styles when creating their ads through the advertiser end of things. Google AdWords, they will have the option to create simple text-based ads, image ads, and video ads. Since advertisers will have the option of creating ads in different formats, you should give your audience the chance to connect with advertisers whose ads they are most likely to click upon by utilizing different types of ad units on your site. When deciding which type of ads to use and where to place them, be sure to keep user experience in mind. You should always have more content than ads on your page. Use Google Analytics to test the number placement and style of ads on your site to see what works best with your site and visitors. Number 3. Deploy AdSense custom search ads. If you have a site with a lot of content, blog, news, forum, etc., you could utilize AdSense custom search on your site. Not only would it provide your users a great experience by allowing them to find specific content on your site, it would also help you maximize your Google AdSense profits by showing ads alongside your site's search results. Note that AdSense custom search is different from Google custom search and that you will need to apply to get AdSense custom search on your site to start generating revenue through your on-site search users. Number 4. Start making money with Google AdSense on YouTube. Google AdSense isn't only for those who create text-based content or free online tools. If video is your cup of tea, then start publishing unique videos on YouTube via your own YouTube channel. Once you've established your channel, you can go to your YouTube channel's features and turn on monetization. This will guide you through the process of linking your YouTube channel to your AdSense account so you can monetize your videos. After you've connected your YouTube channel to your AdSense account, you can choose which videos to monetize and what types of ads are shown to your video viewers. Just go to your video manager, check the video you want to monetize, and choose that video's ad settings. You can then browse through your video manager at any time to see which videos have been monetized based on the green $ next to it and manage their settings. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.